So, let's start for question number 7. So, our given is the integral of z squared minus 3z plus 1 dz. Ang u natin dito, nire-represent nito ang z squared minus 3z plus 1. And yung du naman natin dito, ito yung derivative ng u natin, which is the derivative of z squared minus 3z plus 1 is 2z minus 3. So, let's apply the power rule. Diba, kapag nagpa-power rule tayo, nagpa-plus 1 tayo sa exponent, and then, kung ano yung magiging exponent natin, ayun na rin yung denominator natin. Kaya, ang final answer natin dito, z cube. Bakit z cube? Kasi sa given na nakita natin sa number 7 is z squared nga lang. Sa sinabi ko nga kanina, ay nagpa-plus 1 tayo sa exponent kapag in-apply natin yung power rule. Then, kung ano yung magiging exponent natin, ay yung magiging denominator. So, ang final answer natin dito for question number 7 is z cube over 3 minus 3z squared over 2 plus z plus c. So, let's move forward to question number 8, which is the integral of 4x squared plus 9x minus 6 dx. Let u be the 4x squared plus 9x minus 6, and yung du natin is yung derivative of 4x squared plus 9x minus 6, which is 8x plus 9. So, applyan ulit natin ito ng power rule, which is yung ginawa natin kanina sa question number 7. So, 4x cubed over 3 plus 9x squared over 2 minus 6x plus constant, which is represent letter C, capital letter C. Ang ginagawa natin sa power rule, yung exponent, dadagdagan natin ng 1, and kung ano yung exponent natin, ay yung magiging denominator natin. Kaya ang final answer natin dito ay 4x cubed over 3 plus 9x squared over 2 minus 6x plus c.